In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export as a .wav file inside of Pro Tools. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is to open up Pro Tools like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to File and then down to Bounce Mix. You can also click Ctrl-Alt+B on your keyboard to make it a bit quicker. Then from here, you can add in the file name. You can add in file type where you can choose either WAV file, AIF file, MP3 file, MXF file, or MOV file if you want to do that. For this tutorial, I'm just going to click WAV file. Then from here, you can add a mix source. You can change all of these options down here. And down here, you can add in the location where you can either select session folder, prompt for location, or a directory where you can choose here where it should be saved. When you choose a place you want to save, you need to choose use current folder like so. Then from here, you need to add bounce, like so. As you can see now, it's bouncing. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!